first step would be making a plan. And so establishing your short and your long-term goals. And so I would say, when students graduate, they're transitioning into the next phase of life. And it's often, exciting, and you want to jump right to the longer term plans, buying new cars, getting a bigger place, whether you're renting, whether you're buying, and making more purchases. And so what I would encourage is, set the shorter term goals, which may be paying down debt, but it may also be, and what I would recommend is living like a student a little bit longer, until you figure out what your new reality is, until the paychecks start coming in on a regular basis before you make any real financial changes. And so what that allows you to do is to get comfortable with your new reality before you go out and start changing your lifestyle and changing the way you live day to day. Setting a budget is a critical piece. There's many apps online. We have some at the TD Canada Trust website, but there's lots. So I think it's finding a budgeting app that you're comfortable with. You can plug in all of your fixed costs and determine what's left at the end for you to spend. We know life happens. We know that there's things you may be tempted to spend your money on that are outside of your budget. Social media plays a factor. You look how your friends may be living and different, a bit of a fear of missing out maybe, and things they may be doing, and you may be tempted to want to go on a big vacation. But I would say really sticking to your budget and saving early when you start receiving your first paycheck. So good rule of thumb is 10% of your pay to go into savings each check. But I think quite honestly it's really just about carving money out and saving in a systematic fashion, because it's a behavior, and it's something that if you can establish it early in life, it will serve you well as you progress through the later stages of life.